Hello guys, welcome to this video. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss with you the importance of Cloudflare in terms of SSL certificates and domains. When it comes to securing your website in order to get an SSL certificate on your website and managing your domain, Cloudflare offers a range of benefits that set it apart from traditional domain name registrars. Let's explore why you should consider choosing Cloudflare for your SSL certificate and domain name management. You can know that Cloudflare is a company that has been helping people get an SSL certificate for years. This is their business. But recently, they have added a new service, which is registering a domain name for people. So in this video, I want to discuss with you how you can choose Cloudflare as your domain name registrar. Okay, here are the benefits. Enhanced SSL certificate management. Cloudflare provides robust SSL management that goes beyond what most domain registrars offer. With Cloudflare, you can easily enable and manage SSL certificate for your website. Cloudflare ensures that secure communication between your users and the server is appropriately secured. Their SSL certificates are trusted by major browsers, providing your visitors with a secure browsing experience. They can enter their private details like username and password, and also their credit card details to make payments on your website with confidence. Hence, hackers cannot get access to this information because you are using an SSL certificate provided by Cloudflare. Another benefit of using Cloudflare is they provide a global content distribution and performance. Cloudflare's global network of servers allows for faster content delivery and enhanced website performance. Okay, by routing your website traffic through Cloudflare's network, your content can be cached and served from the nearest Cloudflare servers to your visitors. If you are using Cloudflare on your website, then people from different countries can get access to your website. Your website will be cached on the Cloudflare servers, and hence any people that want to visit your website, can easily visit it without wasting much time to load. They have data centers in different countries, and they cache your website on their servers so that people can browse your website faster and easier. This results in a better user experience and increase your website users' performance, all without the need to change your domain registrars. Cloudflare is registering or managing some of my domains presently. Another importance of choosing Cloudflare as your domain name registrar is they provide a strong protection and security. They have a firewall. Malicious traffic is intercepted before reaching your website. They have a firewall to prevent malicious traffic that can intercept your website. Okay, they safeguard your website from hackers, attackers, and people that can inject your website. Okay, the security features are very crucial for Cloudflare for protecting your website and maintaining its availability. The fourth importance of Cloudflare is they manage your DNS, which makes your website be flexible for you to manage. Their DNS management capabilities provide you with greater control and flexibility over your domain. Okay, you can easily manage DNS record, set up subdomains, and make changes in real time through Cloudflare's users-friendly interface. They have a very good dashboard for you to use. They improve the overall performance of your website using their DNS management. For example, if you have opened a Cloudflare account today, what you should need to do is you use their DNS instead of your local domain name DNS. Just copy the DNS of your Cloudflare to your local domain name registrars. It makes your website load faster, and then you'll be ranking higher on search engine results. This is what this importance means. The fifth step, or the fifth importance of Cloudflare, is they are cost efficient and simplified domain management. The cost for managing domain name with Cloudflare is very efficient. Their service doesn't cost higher because they have just started and they are going to be like that. By consolidating your SSL certificates and domain management with Cloudflare, you can benefit from cost saving and simplify domain management process. Instead of managing multiple services with different companies, Cloudflare offers a comprehensive solution that streamlines your workflow and reduces administrative overhead. These are the 5 importance of using Cloudflare as your domain name registrars. In conclusion, as we have discussed, Cloudflare offers significant advantages over traditional or local domain name registrars when it comes to SSL certificate issuance and domain name registrars. For enhanced SSL certificate management to global content distribution, protecting your website from hackers or attackers, and simplified domain management, Cloudflare provides a comprehensive and efficient solution for you. Hope this video has helped you know the importance of considering Cloudflare for your SSL certificates and managing your domain name. If you found this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. If you have any questions to ask, please comment via the comment section. I will be sure to follow up with you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.